movie?
It's a great movie. Yeah, you should.
Intense.
Wow, ang galing ni Angel Aquino.
Ano masasabi niyo sa movie?
It was a good movie. God bless.
Hi, maganda. I think the direction is very good, no? And actually a surprise ending. Okay.
Sobrang ganda. Manood kayo.
Magaling si Angel.
Ang galing ni Angel. Sobra. Bongga. Congratulations sa lahat ng cast. Lalo na kay Direk RD Alba. So proud of you, babe. Mwah. Watch it. It's showing na. Thank you.
Hi. Sobrang ganda. Kailangan mapanood lahat ng mga tao sa Pilipinas. Lalo ng mga media. Sobra.
Thank you. Ano masasabi niyo sa movie?
Okay po ma'am, maganda. May nakakagulat at saka nakakakaba. Very nice.
Thank you.
Ang galing ni Angel. Di ka paniwala yung arte na. Medyo nakakatakot din.
Maganda. Nakakatakot na nakakagulat. Ayun. Magaling you. Quotes sa movie. Ano masasabi niyo?
Naku, very exciting. Ang daming twist.
Napaka-controversial ng role ni Miss Angel Aquino. Was such a great film.
Congratulations to Angel and to Direk RD. More power. Ang gagaling ng mga actors. Bye!
Thank you. Thank you po, ma'am.
It was really, really nice. It was very interesting and Angel's acting is really great talaga.
Okay po, sir.
It was such a great film. Congrats, guys.
Okay po.
It was a very wonderful indie film. Kaya very good actors.
Thank you.
Angel's good, sobra.
Thank you. Okay po yan. Masasabi sa movie?
Biktima talaga. Magaling. Lahat kayo, biktima.
Sobrang maganda. I recommend it. Highly recommend it.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
You better not miss the movie. You learn a lot and it's a great movie.
Thank you.
Beautiful film. Yeah. I recommend it to everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Maganda po. Sabihin ko saan ako panoorin din.
Oh, God.
Very good. Yes.
Thank you. The film.
Oh, it's great. Great. Just amazing acting.
The best.
Okay, maganda.
Super. Okay na okay.
The best. Very nice.
Thank you.
Well, the film was very nice, yeah.
I think it will really boost the morale of the family because to me what I got from it is the fact that if there is support from every member of a family, any form of crisis can really be handled.
Good quality film. The first in the Philippines. Thank you.
Very nice film. It was a family film. Meron ding thrill nakasama. And the values also of family was very strongly projected. Of course, Boboy Montano, still the best actor. And of course, Angel Aquino.
It's a very good movie. We're very proud of it, especially so because it is done by a Boholano. So congratulations to RD and the Alba Productions, of course, Star Cinema. Thank you.
Sana panoorin pa ninyo ang Biktima.
Napakagandang pelikula. Iniimbitahan ko po kayong manood ng Biktima. Napakagaling ng mga sina Cesar Montano at saka si Angel Aquino. Napakagandang pelikula. Manood na po kayo, mga kababayan ko.
Maganda. Medyo nakakatakot naman ng huli. Ang galing ni Angel and Cesar. Thank you.
About the film.
Oh, it was good. Very good. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you. How about you po, ma'am? Kayo po.
Enjoy. Thank you.
Enjoy the movie.
Nice.
Thank you.
Don't be a victim. Watch Biktima.